What if we could see the world through the eyes of an animal? Imagine looking at your surroundings through the unique lens of a dog, a bird, or even an insect. Each species experiences the world in a completely different way, with abilities we can only dream of. What would it be like to perceive the world in infrared, or to see a spectrum of color beyond human comprehension? The power of seeing through an animal's eyes could unlock new ways of understanding the world and the creatures we share it with. Let's start with man's best friend, a dog. Dogs perceive the world differently than we do. Their vision is more attuned to movement and contrasts, with fewer colors than humans can see. But their sense of smell, far superior to ours, paints an entirely different picture. If we could experience the world through a dog's eyes, would we notice the smallest changes in our environment, or perhaps smell the details we've never been able to detect? What would it be like to live in a world where every scent tells a story? Now, imagine seeing the world from a bird's perspective. Birds can see ultraviolet light, a spectrum of color humans cannot detect. They have an incredible ability to navigate through landscapes, using the sun and magnetic fields to guide them. What if we could experience flight, seeing the ground from above, with a view that stretches far beyond our reach? Could we feel the freedom that comes with soaring high above the earth, or appreciate the world in the way birds do, with incredible clarity and detail? What about the tiny creatures that live in the underbrush, the insects who see the world in entirely different ways? Many insects, such as bees and dragonflies, can see ultraviolet light and perceive motion at incredible speeds. What if we could experience the world from their point of view? Would we notice the tiny movements of leaves in the wind or the rapid fluttering of wings? The world would be a blur of rapid motion and vibrant colors, where every tiny detail matters. What could we learn from this fast-paced, heightened perception? Beyond vision, animals have other senses that give them a completely different understanding of the world. Sharks use electroreception to detect electric fields, bats rely on echolocation to navigate, and cats have an acute sense of hearing that allows them to hear sounds far beyond our range. What if we could tap into these senses, experiencing the world as these animals do? Could we learn to see the world in a way that allows us to perceive more than just what's visible? If we could understand and experience the world as animals do, how would it change the way we interact with our environment? Would we treat the planet with more respect, knowing how much more there is to perceive? Could we unlock new ways of thinking, using the heightened senses of animals to better understand ourselves and the world around us? The possibilities are endless, but it all begins with learning to see through the eyes of the creatures we share this world with. How do you think the world would change if we could see through the eyes of animals? What new perspectives could we gain from their unique senses? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more what-if scenarios. Hit the like button if you've ever wondered about the hidden world around us that we can't always see.